Welcome to Dispo platform. We are destination management company. Here is how we can help you. Book online transfers with cars, vans, buses, and minibuses. Tours around Europe for small and large groups. Choose favorite destinations crafted for you. Fill up necessary information and you are ready to start. After registering, one of our team members will be in contact with you to set up your profile for net or commission rates. On the left side is the booking navigation panel. Choose the booking type, vehicle or tours. For transfers, fill out all necessary information. Select whether your transfer is one-way or with a return. Choose dates and the number of passengers. Continue to the next step where you can select pickup and drop-off addresses and times. Now you can see the route and approximate kilometers. Press Search. Pay attention to the vehicle type. Press More to see passenger seats and how many suitcases can fit in. Your commission is displayed separately here. You may also choose another rental type. For daily rental, pick the dates and number of passengers. In the next step, fill in information for each selected day, press Search, and choose the vehicle type. During hourly rental type, select booking dates and the number of passengers. Continue to the next step, fill in the pickup address, time, and specify the trip distance and rental time. To choose tours, go back to the booking panel and press on Tours. Use the navigation panel to filter tours or request a price offer directly. Explore the tour, see pictures, read descriptions, check what is included. Indicate the number of passengers and you are ready to book. In the working space section, follow your projects, bookings, invoices, reports. Under Affiliate, find and share your unique affiliate links. If you have any questions, write an email to support@dispo.travel and participate in our educational webinars.